Okay, this video is just way too short for that full opening. First off, we just remove the pieces from the fret. I do that with my rusty trusty X-Acto knife and a big sheet of glass. Now just fold each of the ridges up towards the fold line, and see that I have this on a piece of cardboard. This lets me get the X-Acto blade underneath it. I'm holding it with the other hand because you don't want to warp everything. You just stick it under there, fold up, and you're good to go. You probably have to do a little fiddling once you're done with your fingers, but easy as pie. Now to fit it into the bay itself, just mark the inside edges of the bay opening, and then extend the line so that the girders can actually touch it. And now put the girders in about 3/4 of an inch from each end. Make sure that the inside edge of the girder is right on that line that you marked. And there you have it. The whole thing's in. Very simple and straightforward to do. It doesn't take a lot of outrageous work.